Coinbase warns Canada risks losing global economic edge without crypto reforms. Canada. Coinbase. Coinbase cautions that Canada's global economic competitiveness hinges on embracing forward-thinking crypto regulations amid shifting digital finance trends. The exchange calls for reform and a balanced innovation with policymaking before the nation falls behind. Last updated, March 27, 2025. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied. Last updated, March 27, 2025 at 18:04 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Canada is approaching a pivotal federal election, and the future of its crypto industry hangs in the balance. In light of this, Coinbase is sounding the alarm that unless Canada swiftly implements clear, innovation-friendly regulations, it risks falling behind its international counterparts. The exchange's Canadian country director, Lucas Matheson, emphasized in a blog post that while Canada has been a leader in the crypto space, the lack of proactive policymaking presents a danger. Crypto is growing in the hands of retail in Canada. A growing number of Canadians are already engaged with crypto. According to Coinbase, an estimated 5 million Canadians hold digital assets, and public sentiment strongly favors financial reform. Furthermore, 86% of Canadians believe their financial system needs modernization, with many perceiving it as unfair, 80%, and out of touch, 76%. If the cryptocurrency industry were more regulated, nearly a third, 29%, would be more inclined to invest in it. In fact, a report from MoonPay shows that over 90% of its Canadian customers choose to buy crypto. These numbers highlight a pressing need for the next federal government to embrace regulatory changes that foster financial innovation. However, regulatory roadblocks have already driven several major exchanges out of Canada, particularly due to stringent policies on stablecoins and trading platforms. The looming election presents a rare opportunity for a new administration to implement reforms that support crypto adoption and position Canada as a leader in the global digital asset economy. Coinbase call for regulatory reform. Coinbase has laid out a detailed proposal urging the incoming government to take decisive action within the first 100 days of its tenure. The company's recommendations include establishing a government crypto task force. This group would bring together industry leaders from the public and private sectors alongside academic experts to create a national crypto strategy and a coherent regulatory framework. Another key recommendation is the creation of a Bitcoin reserve. With countries like the United States exploring strategic Bitcoin reserves, Coinbase encourages Canada to follow suit. Another crucial point concerns regulatory clarity on stablecoins. Coinbase argues that stablecoins have the potential to revolutionize payment infrastructure by enabling faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions. The company also stresses the importance of clearly defining digital assets. The lack of standardized classification is a major challenge in Canada's crypto adoption. Canada's energy resources also present a unique opportunity for crypto mining. The country has some of the cheapest energy in the world, making it an ideal location for large-scale crypto mining operations. Coinbase suggests policy adjustments that would make it easier for Canadians to develop crypto and AI data centers, potentially attracting billions in investment. Finally, Coinbase calls for updated regulations that would allow banks to safely hold and use crypto, integrate digital asset management into banking services, and ensure that financial institutions do not deny essential services to Web3 businesses. Canada's crypto future. Despite regulatory challenges, Coinbase remains committed to the Canadian market. In an exclusive interview with Cryptonews last December, Lucas Matheson highlighted Canada's strong crypto awareness and relatively clear regulatory framework compared to other jurisdictions. He emphasized that Coinbase registration as a restricted dealer with the Canadian Securities Administrators in April 2024 was a significant step in legitimizing crypto operations in the country. Canada is actually quite far ahead in terms of regulatory clarity, Matheson stated, noting that regulatory frameworks have provided a stable foundation for crypto exchanges to operate. However, he acknowledged that additional reforms are necessary to ensure continued growth and adoption. Looking forward, whether the next government embraces Coinbase recommendations or maintains the status quo, the coming months will determine its fate. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Russian economist calls strategic Bitcoin reserves a ticking time bomb. XRP ETF 2025 approval hits 87% high on Polymarket. Dubbed Easy Bet, Peter Brandt says XRP could drop 55%. Can XRP avoid a full-blown collapse? Price analysis. Could this be the catalyst XRP bulls were waiting for? Legal deal nears final approval. 1 day ago, by Simon Chandler. Price analysis. Will Bitcoin hit new highs in 2025? Analyst says there's a 75% chance. 23 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Trump's Bitcoin reserve order removes last existential risk, says Bitwise CIO. 1 day ago, by Ruhalaman Haqqanas. Best crypto to buy now in March 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in March 2025. March 12, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025, by Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in March 2025. March 3, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. What is the next cryptocurrency to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.